द रिलीजन ऑफ सेल्स। दोस्तों, अगर आप भी इस रिलीजन को अपनाना चाहते हैं एंड यू वांट टू गेट बैप्टाइज्ड इनटू द रिलीजन ऑफ सेल्स, आप सराबोर हो जाना चाहते हैं सेल्स में, तो you must listen to this video, because in this video I'm going to talk about 5 things which will help you in becoming good in sales. My tip number 1, if you want to become good in sales, is whatever product you are selling, whatever business that you are doing, try to understand all possible customer silos that you can cater to. अभी इन्हीं कुछ दिनों मैं किसी मास्टर बैच कंपनी के सेल्स टीम से बात कर रहा था, और जब मैंने उनको पूछा कि आपकी प्रोडक्ट कितनी जगह यूज हो सकती है। Master batch is a raw material which is used to manufacture anything plastic. And the sales team came out with 5, 6, 7 applications where they thought that their product can be used. And when they sat with them and created a list of applications where master batch could be used, you will be surprised that we came up with a list of 3,400 applications. So do you understand what I mean? If you want to be good in sales, बिल्कुल घोर के पी जाइए कि आपकी प्रोडक्ट कहाँ यूज हो सकती है, किस तरह के लोगों से यूज हो सकती है, what are the various market segments that can use your product, what are the different customer profiles that can use your product, and what are the different geographical areas that can use your product. So do a complete profiling of your customer, because this will help you in building up a sales funnel. And for those of you who don't understand sales funnel, check on the link below. If you build a great sales funnel, that's a great way to go ahead in sales. My tip number 2, what should you do to become good in sales? My tip number 2 is start believing friends, more calls equal to more sales. आप में से जो लोग सोचते हैं कि आपकी ईमानदारी या आपका इंटेलिजेंस या आपकी समझदारी आपको ज्यादा सेल्स लेके आता है, मैं बोलता हूं आप मूर्ख हैं। आप जितने ज्यादा नए लोगों को मिलेंगे, and definitely you have to meet new people in your target audience and not any Tom, Dick and Harry, the more number of calls that you make to meet new people, the more are the chances of you acquiring a new customer. So more calls equal to more sales. That's my tip number 2 if you want to do good in sales. My tip number 3 is that if you want to do good in sales, you should know what is a sales pitch. देखिए, जब एक क्रिकेट बॉलर बॉलिंग करता है, so he has got so many different kinds of bowling in his arsenal. He's got a googly, he's got an off spin, he's got a leg spin, he's got an in swinger, he's got an out swinger, he's got a full toss, he's got an over pitch, a short length, a good length. These are different kind of balls that he has got, and while bowling he chooses which ball to throw at the batsman. Similarly in sales, you need to have multiple sales pitches with you. And depending on the profile of the customer you're talking to, you should choose the right pitch so that your sales vessel travels a large distance in the ocean of sales. My tip number 4 is that do not stop following up old calls. It requires more than 5 follow-ups to acquire a new customer. And generally it has been seen that salespeople stop following up after 3 times. So don't do that mistake. You want to do big in sales, follow up. Keep a record of follow up and follow up to 7 times. I have made a video earlier on how you should do the follow up by making use of value bombs. Putting a link below. Check out my video on value bombs as to how you should make 7 follows with value bombs. But in this video, remember, you want to do big in sales. Don't stop following up with customers so that you don't lose the opportunity of closing them. And my last tip, if you want to make it big in sales, and this I always say is a big game changer, friends. Your capability to probe the customer to an extent where you are able to understand the risks at the customer's table, where you are able to understand उसकी दुखती रग को आप समझ पाते हैं और उसकी दुखती रग को दबा के उसकी सॉल्यूशन देते हैं, उसका निदान करते हैं, तो that is another great way to do good in sales. So these are my 5 tips to do great in sales. भगवान आपका भला करे और आपको दिन दूनी रात चौगनी तरक्की दे अगर आप इन टिप्स को फॉलो करते हैं. Friends, if you have liked my video, please go down and subscribe to the channel. Click on the bell icon, because as a sales coach, I'm on a mission to empower 1 million salespeople with the art and science of selling before 2025. So till such time I upload my next video, this is Sanjay Singh, your sales coach, signing off.